Hello and welcome back guys. Today in this video we are going to tell you about top 3 Telegram features that are simply awesome. Telegram has many hidden features that are not known by many people. We can assure you that you will love using these features. You don't have to worry, as we are also going to tell you about how to find out these features in your Telegram app. Just follow some simple steps. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. Before telling any feature, I would like to thank techburner.in cause this video is inspired from their blog post. Link is in the description box below. Feature number 1 is secret chats. Secret chats is just like any other chatting feature, but what makes it unique is its security level. It uses end-to-end encryption, which only allows you and the receiver to read those messages. You can order your messages, videos, photos and files to automatically self-destruct after it has been read or opened by the receiver. People will not be able to forward any message from the secret chats. Messaging done in the secret chat is device specific and are not part of the Telegram cloud. When you delete a message from your end in the secret chat, the app will order the other side of the secret chat to delete the message there as well. Your messages in secret chat is safe as long as your device is safe in your pocket. Now let's discuss how to use secret chat in Telegram. First of all, open Telegram app on your Android or iOS device. Then tap on the profile of a person with whom you want to chat in secret chats. After you have opened the profile, tap on the 3 dots on the top right corner of your screen to the menu. Now tap on the Start Secret Chat option and it will ask you permission. If you want to continue, then tap on the Start option, or you can cancel it out by tapping on the options. After you have completed all the steps, your secret chat will be created. On next, we have self-destructing messages. Self-destructing messages is available for all messages in secret chat. Using self-destructing messages is simple. You just have to set timer by tapping on the clock icon. The clock will start ticking as soon as the message is displayed on the receiver's screen or get 2 check marks. When time run out on both devices, the message will automatically get deleted from both devices. However, you first have to set timer before sending any message. And the last, which we found the hidden feature, is screenshot alert. Sometimes people take screenshot of your message to share with someone else, but if for some reason you don't want them to screenshot the message, this is where screenshot alert will come in handy. If you have messaged someone in secret chats and the receiver takes a screenshot of the chat, Telegram will alert you. However, it is advised to share your personal data with the people you trust. Nobody can stop the person to click a photo from a secondary smartphone or camera. And that's all from our side. Hope you got whatever you're looking for. And if this video is helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Have a great decade.